Could jets land without pilots? In 1970, Captain Gary Fust was piloting an F-106 Delta Dart during a training mission over Montana when the aircraft suddenly went into a flat spin at 15,000 feet. Ejecting was his only option, and he bailed out, parachuting safely to the ground. To everyone's amazement, after losing the pilot, the F-106 recovered itself from the spin and leveled out. It flew another 50 miles, managing to navigate around hills and valleys before making a near-perfect belly landing in a snowy farmer's field. The local sheriff, thinking it was an emergency, rushed to the scene only to find the jet with its engine still running, completely intact except for minor belly damage. The Air Force repaired the jet, returning it to active duty. Remarkably, the aircraft became known as the Cornfield Bomber and is now displayed at the National Museum of the U.S. Air Force.